The secret to refined patterns often isn't the shapes themselves, but how subtly they interact with light and visibility on the canvas. How to explore pattern opacity styles. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a square document around 1500 by 1500 pixels so you have enough room to observe repetition clearly. Design a simple motif using the Shape or Brush tool and duplicate it across the canvas with even spacing using Smart Pads. Once your base pattern is complete, group all motif layers and duplicate the group to experiment safely. Select the top group and gradually reduce its opacity from the Layers panel, observing how transparency changes the visual weight and layering effect. Try all